Going on back with the Marvel Collect. It's been a few days since I used the app. I do open a couple of the mystery boxes and I do the spins daily, but I don't think I've really opened any packs to be honest with you, or collection packs, I guess I'll call them. So I'm gonna do the same thing, pulling the mystery box, Cyclops, Groot, Magneto, Cyclops again, Jean Grey, and Spider-Woman and Thor, who looks totally different. And excuse all the noise in the background. I got the windows open and a fan running. 2,000 and 5,000. And just gonna hit a couple free spins. Usually looking for coins. Blue Valkyrie. Squirrel Girl, who I've gotten very acquainted with on Marvel Puzzle Quest, and Ghost Rider. And okay, so those are the free ones. So what I'm gonna do for this one, I think it's the newest one, even though it came yesterday, is Blade, Way of the Blade. Blade is a vampire hunter from yesterday. It says many wield the blade. Oh wait. Okay, so Blade is the award, but there's other people. Okay. Other superheroes are fluent in the ways. Find out the ways of the blade. Epic Black Ink and Super Rare Noir. And this is pretty much the Super Rare Noir. Looks pretty sweet on the back. And the Black Ink Epic. Pretty much the same, just has more color to it. And just an idea of what it looks like. And 1 in 80 for super rare. And then you can use some diamonds. I think maybe I'll do just 20. Maybe I'll hit something, maybe I won't. Kingpin, Hyperon, Ghost Rider. It would be super lucky if I hit one. Jean Grey, Thanos, Hellcat. And oh, okay, I did get a Noir, so that's pretty cool. That one is Iron Man, which is pretty awesome. So 1 in 3 get to Noir. So I should be going down about 250. That's 20 packs. Hopefully we get lucky and get another Hellcat, Hawkeye, Carnage, Black Bolt, Professor X, Moon Knight, Luke Cage, Wolverine, Scarlet Witch, Scarlet Witch again, She-Hulk, and Spider-Man. Vision, Nova, Beast, Black Widow, Doctor Strange, Ms. Marvel, Medusa, Black Widow, Havoc, America Chavez, Storm, Wolverine, Loki, Black Bolt, Magic, Magic, Drax, Man-Thing, Ant-Man, Valkyrie, Kingpin, Thor, Beast, Sentry, Sabretooth, Ms. Marvel, Iceman, Cable, Loki, Doctor Strange, Spider-Man, Magneto, Medusa. Nice, a second one, sweet. Who was that? I'll have to find out. Rocket and Psylocke. Let's see who that one was. Valkyrie and Misty Knight. Okay, so Valkyrie, I thought I knew that was her. But we're pretty much there anyway, so Cable, Psylocke, Iron Fist. And this is about 20. Maybe I'll do another 5 because I'm getting very lucky. Dr. Octopus, Spider-Woman, and Hope Summers. I'm going to say that was 20. I'll go 5 more. Falcon, Rocket, Sabretooth. 22. Cyclops. Man, that looks so good. Spider-Woman. 23. Beast, Magneto, Magic. Hercules, Carnage, Black Panther. And 25. Angel, Hercules, Nova. And do one more. Cable, Red Skull, Rocket. So that's about 25. I don't want to go too crazy. It's super lucky that I got 2 super rares. Some of these, or most of these, I've opened already. So really don't know, unless there's some new stuff in here. But I pretty much have all of these. I think I pretty much have all these. I'm looking to see if there's anything else I want to try. But I highly recommend that one because I got 2 super rares. I like a lot of these. I think, yeah, these are all completed. Just pretty much just, honestly, just looking around to see if there's anything else I can open that I haven't really touched on. Fusion, I do need to do some Fusion. Age of Ultron Fusion. Oh, that's the comic book cover stuff. Oh, maybe I should do that. Maybe do that tomorrow. Yeah, there's actually not much to fuse. Let me see what the comic books do. I probably should have done that then, but I got 2 super, so I'm not complaining. 1 and 5 gets you common, but then you also get these. So how do you get those? You know what? Let's just do. No, I'll do it another time. It's so tempting, but I don't want to. I'm gonna waste time. I'm gonna just do it a whole different video. All right, I'll see you guys later.